In this example, we are going to use the same numbers as we did in the previous example, except we add one extra number to the end, which in this case is 18. So last example we had n equal to 9, so this time we have n equal to 10. So this time we're dealing with an even number of values. So when you're dealing with an even number of values, in order to find the median two values you need to take, you take your value n and divide it by 2, which will give us 10 divided by 2, which will give us 5. So that means in order to find the median value, we're going to have to take the average of the 5th value and the 6th value. And up here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 is the 5th value, 12 is the 6th value. So the median will equal 9 plus 12 divided by 2, which is going to equal to 21 over 2, which is equal to 10.5. Okay, so now we want to find the 25th percentile. So in order to find the 25th percentile, we need to take all of the values that are less than the median. Now the values that are less than the median are the values 1, 2, 4, 6, and 9. So the values less than the median are 1, 2, 4, 6, and 9. So now we have 5 values. So now we have to take the median of an odd number of values, which we just did in the previous example. And since we have 5 values, so here n equals 5. So we take n divided by 2 equals 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5, rounding up to 3. So the third value in this sequence is the median value of the lower half of the values. So the median of the lower half of the values is the 25th percentile. So the 25th percentile is the median of the lower values, which in this case is 4. Okay, so now we want to find the 25th percentile. So we do the same thing, except with the values that are greater than the median. So now the values greater than the median are 12, 13, 15, 16, and 18. And here we can see that the median value is 15. We can see that by inspection. We could do the n divided by 2 part again if we want, but from here we can just see that the median value of the upper values is 15. And therefore, the 25th percentile is equal to 4. The median is equal to 10.5. And the 75th percentile is equal to 15.